welcome back. My name is Jason, and in this video we are going to be unboxing my last Tribe Beauty Box subscription. This would be my second Tribe Beauty Box, and they were super late. This is the October box. It is now November 2nd, and I just got the box today. I felt like I needed to cancel it. Again, it's not a bad company. The first box was a decent box. This is a bi-monthly subscription if you're not familiar with Tribe Beauty. So you get it every other month, and the subscription for this is $34.99 for the box, and like I said, it's bi-monthly. So I'm not sure exactly what the value of each box is supposed to be or how many items. I'll look that up and I'll put it in the description box below for you. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into this box. Like I said, it's my last subscription for this. It normally comes in like a pink mailing envelope that has a little bit of a design on it, but I went ahead and took it out already. So it's just in this bubble wrap here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And let's pull out the first item. Now with Tribe Beauty, they do give you a card that tells you what's in there and the retail value. So this first thing is Earth Harbor Helios. Earth Harbor Helios. And let's see. Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. Helios worships your face by renewing skin through stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants, normalizing skin pH, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, and enveloping you in an essential ritual with her velvety consistency and citrus blossom aroma. It retails for $48. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what... So, okay, it's like a serum. It's interesting. I'm gonna smell it, see if it smells citrusy. It smells more floral to me than citrusy, so I'm not overly excited about floral scents. Sometimes they're too overpowering for me, so I might give it a try. I'm not sure yet. I've got so many other serums, so I'll put this aside for now. If I don't decide to use it, then I will put it in a future giveaway. So there's one item. Like I said, it retails for $48. Next item I'm going to pull out is Lumos by LA Splash. So LA Splash Lumos Liquid Metals Duo Jumbo Felt Tip Liner and Cut Crease Definer. This retails for $18. Okay. And this is in shade Potion. Looks like Potion with my blind eyes trying to read that little tiny label. But it looks like this. And so one side is the felt tip, and the other side is, oh, interesting. I guess that's the cut crease? I don't know. Anyway, again, I'm not sure if I'll use this. I'll put it aside for now, and again, if I don't use it, then it may be going in another future giveaway. So this was LA Splash, retails for $18. Not a horrible box so far. This is SOVA. SOVA Beauty Illusionist Liquid Lipstick. Okay. And this retails for $18 as well. I am not going to swatch this or, ouch, boxes. There, oh. Boy, this box doesn't want to open. It's not even sealed. Huh. Oh well, let's tear the box a little bit. Oh my goodness. Wow, this box is like, this little tiny box is becoming my nemesis. This is ridiculous. That was ridiculous. All right. They don't want you to get into this liquid lipstick. All right, so now that I finally got it open, here is the SOVA. I like the shade. I mean, it's not necessarily something that I probably would wear. So again, I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a future giveaway because I've got so many lip products already, and being that we're still in the pandemic and quarantine and having to wear masks when we go out, I'm sure many people aren't wearing like lipsticks, and so. But again, that retails for $18. And let's see what else we have in here. We've got this, okay, Gerard Cosmetics. I like Gerard Cosmetics a lot. So this is, what is this? Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base. So Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base. And let's see if I can open this up. There we go. Okay. All right, so this looks, when you open it up, looks like this. In a little plastic container. Clean Crease Eye Base. It's in Fair. Oh, it looks like a liquid foundation, but I guess that's normal. I don't know. Anyway, I think I'll hold on to this just because I like Gerard Cosmetics, and if I ever do any eye makeup, this is something that I want to try. So this, did I say what that retails for? Gerard Cosmetics. That retails for $22. Wow. That little thing retails for $22. Okay. Last but not least, we have this eyeshadow palette with, I think you usually get some kind of palette in Tribe Beauty. I just don't know if it's guaranteed for every box. But this is Pure Defense. Okay, you had a variation. So this, you either could get this Pure Cosmetics Defense, or you could have gotten LA Splash Classic Horror eyeshadow palette. That was the one that I originally wanted, but it sold out really quickly when it came time to make your choices. So this is what I ended up with. It's actually a really cool case. It's very kind of like holographic there. That's pretty cool. And it's hard plastic. Wow, that's a nice case. All right, it's got a great mirror when you open it up. And it comes with the, the little plastic protector. Let's see if I can, these colors are nice. That is the palette inside. So it's a nice palette. Again though, I don't do a lot of eye makeup, and I've got so many palettes right now. So I'm not going to swatch this because I may just go ahead and put it directly into a giveaway. But the colors are really nice. These shimmers are really cool. So, all right, well, I'm not mad about that one. And this retails for Pure Cosmetics Defense Anti-Pollution Palette. Retails for $34. So $34. And there was how many? 12 bold shades. So it's not bad. All right, well, that will do it for this video. Again, this was Tribe Beauty, and it's a bi-monthly subscription. it is my last subscription for this company. I went ahead and canceled because they were so late, and it just didn't seem justified with how late they ended up being. So, but I do have to say that they communicated well. When I emailed them, they did respond, so it wasn't like they were ignoring me. So I'll give them that. Maybe again in the future, who knows? Maybe I'll give them a tryout again. But for now, that's Try Beauty for me, and that'll do it. So hope everybody is staying happy and healthy, and I will see you in my next unboxing video. Take care, everybody.